Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to draw perfect straight lines in Canva. So let's start. This is my Canva. So here I'm going to draw perfect straight line. So left hand side you can see have a some tab. Just click on the draw tab and you can see in draw tab have a some option. The different paint color, paint styles and erasers and color change have available. Okay, so I just click on this first pane and draw here the line, but line is not drawing the straight. Okay, so for the straight line press the shift key of keyboard and draw line in straight, same as I select the red pane, and you can see I press the shift key and draw line straight. Okay, and the second way, just click on the elements tab and here in search elements search the line. Okay, right here the line and searches. Okay, then you can see all lines showing here. Okay, just click on it to insert in your Canva template. So here one line is inserted. Okay, when you click on this line you can see have some option here. Line style, you can change the line style also. Dotted dash line, you can increase the line thickness also. You can see the changes over here on this line. Okay, and if you want to change color you can change here line color. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video please subscribe. Thank you so much.